Hello everyone, in today's topic I am going to discuss the complete concept of finding the last two digits of any given number. So first let us see how to find the last two digits of a number ending in 1. So for this there is a special trick, that is any number ending in 1. So if a number is ending in 1, then we will use this trick. That is, suppose the number given is 31 raised to the power 786. Then for this the last digit is fixed, that is 1. It's always going to be 1, and the second last digit here, this is the product of its base, the second last digit of the base and the last digit of the power, that is 3 into 6, 18. So its unit digit is 8. So finally the last two digits of this number is going to be 81. So this is the trick. For any number ending in 1, its last two digit is going to be here. In the last digit 1, it's always going to be 1, and for the second last digit is the product of the second last digit of base and the last digit of the power. Okay, now let us see one more example. If we are given 571 raised to the power 64, then for this also the last digit is going to be 1, and the second last digit is the product of this and this, that is 7 4 28, again 80, again 81 is the answer. Okay, let us see how to find the last two digits of any number ending in 5. If a number is ending in 5, then its last two digits is either going to be 75 or 25, depending upon the following conditions. So let the base be ABC and the power be XYZ. Then its last two digits is going to be 75 if the last digit of the power is odd and the second last digit of the base is also odd. For any other combination of the last digit of this power and the second last digit of the base, for any other combination it's going to be 25. So for example, let us see, if a number is 1695 raised to the power 1015, then we can see that here the last digit of the power is odd and the second last digit of the base is also odd, so its last digit is going to be 75. Next example, let us take another example, say 75 raised to the power 104. So here we can see that the last digit of the power is even and the second last digit of the base is odd. So for this combination the last two digit is going to be 25. For any other combination it's going to be 25 only if the last digit of the power is odd and the second last digit of the base is odd, then only the the last two digit is going to be 75, else it's going to be 20. Now the trick for So now let us see how to find the last two digits of any number ending in 3 and 7. The trick for finding this is reducing their power in multiple of 4. Wherever any number would end in 3 or 7, we will reduce its power in the multiple of 4. For example, let us see one example. Let us take 263 to the power 60. Then we will consider only the last two digits, that is 63 to the power 60. Now we will break this in multiple of 4, that is 63 raised to the power 4, and this is 4 1 15. Fine. Now the trick why we are reducing any number ending in 3 and 7 in multiple of 4 is this, because 3 to the power 4 is 81, the number would end in 1. Fine. And the trick for finding any number ending in 1 is easy, that is we have already discussed before. So now we will find 63 raised to the power 4. What is its value? Let us see. 63 square. So the last two digits of 63 square will be same as that of 13 square, because 63 is 13 more than 50. So 13 square is 169. So its last two digit is what? 69. Now again we will square 69. So 69 square. Now the last two digit of 69 square will be same as that of 19 square, because this is 19 more than 50. So now 19 square is 361. Its last two digit is what? 61. So finally this is 61 to the power 15. Now we can use the previous trick, that is the number ending in 1. So the last digit is 1, and the second last digit is 6 into 5 30, that is 0 1. Fine. Now next let us see another example, that is a number ending in 7. So let us take any number, say 57 raised to the power 82. So here this one also we will break in multiple of 4, because 7 raised to the power 4 is 2401. Fine. That is the number is ending in 1. That is means that's why we reduce this in multiple of 4. So this can be written as 57 raised to the power 4 into 20. Fine. Into 57 square. Now we need to find 57 to the power 4. So 57 square. The last two digit of 57 square is equals to that of 7 square, that is 49. Again 49 square is equals to that of 1 square, means the last two digit of 49 square is equal to that of 1 square, because this is 1 less than 50. So that is 0 1. Now this one is 0 1 raised to the power 20, and this one is 57 square, that is 49. Now 0 1. So this is 1 and again 0 into 41, that is 49. Alright. Now the trick for finding the last two digits of any number ending in 9 is reducing its power in the multiple of 2. For example, if we are given a number, say 39 raised to the power 248, then this can be written as 39 square into 1, dividing this by 2, we get 124. Now for finding the square of 39, we know that 39's square, its last two digit, whatever its last two digit will be, that will be same as the last two digit of 11 square, because 39 is how much less than 50? 11. So therefore its last two digit will be equal to that of 11, and that is 21. 11 square is 121, its last two digit is 21. Now 21 to the power 124. Its answer is, here we will use the trick for that, the number ending in 1. So the last digit is 1, and this second last digit into 4, it's 8. Next let us take another example, that is 89 raised to the power 82. So now 89 to the power 2 into 41. Now 89 is how much less than 100? 11. So 89, the last two digit of square of 89 is equals to the last two digit of 11's square, that is 21. So 21 raised to the power 41. Now again this is 1 and here this is 2 into 1, that is 2. Next let us see the concept of finding the last two digits of the numbers ending in 2, 4, 6 and 8. For finding the last two digits of the numbers ending in 2, 4, 6 and 8, we need to know some simple concepts about 2 raised to the power 10. So next let's see numbers ending in 2, 4, 8 and 6. For finding the last two digits of the numbers ending in 2, 4, 8 and 6, we need to know some concepts about 2 to the power 10, which will help in further solving. See, 2 to the power 10 is equals to 1024. So its last two digit is 24. Now 2 to the power 10 into, if it is even, then the last two digit is going to be 76, and if 2 to the power 10 here it's an odd number, then the last two digit will be 24. For example, if we have 2 to the power 170, then this can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 17. Now this is odd, so the last two digits will be 24. If we are given a number, say 22 raised to the power 120, then we know that we will try to reduce such numbers. If any number is there like which is ending in 2, then we will try to reduce it in the multiple of 2 and another number. Another number should be in any of the above discussed standard forms. So this can be written as 2 into 11 to the power 120. Now this is 2 raised to the power 120 into 11 raised to the power 120. Now this can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 12, and this is 11 raised to the power 120. Now here this one, it's the power here 12 is even, so its last two digit is 76, and here the number is ending in 1, so the last number is 1, and the second last number is 1 into 0, that is 0. So finally we are going to get 76. Let us see another examples where the number is ending in 4. So let us take, if this is 484 raised to the power 60, then it can be written as 4 into 21. Fine. To the power 60. Now 4 to the power 60, and this is 21 to the power 60. Now whenever we are given 4 or 8, whenever a number is ending in 4 or 8, then that can be reduced, means that can be written in the form 2 to the power n, that is 2 square for 4 and 2 cube for 8. So here it's here we are getting 4, so this can be written as 2 square into 60, and this one is 21 raised to the power 60. Now this is equals to 2 raised to the power 120 into 21 raised to the power 60. This can be written as 2 raised to the power 10 into 12, and this is 21 raised to the power 60. Now this one is even, so its last two digit is going to be 76. And for this one here, the number is ending in 1, so the last digit is 1, and the second last digit is 2 into 0, that is 0. So finally the answer is 76. Next, let us take another example where the number is ending in 6. So let us take 66 to the power, say, 40. Then this can be written as 6 into 11 raised to the power 40. And whenever a number is ending in 6, then we need to break it in 2 into 3. So we will write it as 2 into 3 into 11 raised to the power 40. Now this is 2 raised to the power 40 into 3 raised to the power 40 into 11 raised to the power 40. Here this 2 raised to the power 40 can be written as 2 raised to the power 10 into 4, and this can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 into 10, and here this is 11 to the power 40. Now here 2 raised to the power 10 into this, when this is even, then the last two digit is 76. 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, and 81 raised to the power 10, and here this is 11 raised to the power 40. This is 76. For this one, the last digit is 1, and this one is 8 into 0, that is 0. Here the last digit is 1, and the second last digit is 1 into 0, that is 0. So therefore the answer is 76. Now let us take one more example. Say 62 raised to the power 42. Fine. So here this can be written as 2 into 31 raised to the power 42. So this is 2 raised to the power 42 into 31 raised to the power 42. Now this can be written as 2 raised to the power 10 into 4 into 2 raised to the power 2, and this one is 31 raised to the power 42. Now here again this one is even, so the last two digit is going to be 76 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4, and this one is 1, and 3 into 2 6. Now here one more concept is there, that is 76 into 2 raised to the power a is equals to 2 raised to the power a. So here this is 4 into 61. 4 into 61 is 4, 4 6 is 24. So the last two digits is 44. Thank you.